Welcome back to part 4. Yesterday I did go ahead and finish off the game off screen. I did that so I'd be able to, once we get into the more advanced stuff of drawing and the key stuff, I just wanted to see how I play it out and get it to work. So I did go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like. So basically, like I said, I'm still using those two sprites. So basically, enter key is the shooting for the right side, space is shooting for the left. It will move over until it hits the either the player or it goes off of the side of the screen and they'll delete the bullets. If it hits the player, it will subtract 1 point from their health, which is set at 10. So 10 bullets means that that player is dead. And you can move the right player with up and down arrow keys and move the left player with W and S. And that's about it. So you basically just go up and down, shoot, and then until one person dies. And that's it. And when one person dies, it just pops up on the screen and says player 1 has won or player 2 or whatever. So I don't really need that, so we're just going to continue on so I can teach you going along with me so you can learn. So we're going to actually add painting in right now. I know you guys probably want to see that, so we'll go ahead and do that right now. So what we're going to want to do is create a private, no, we'll do public. And actually we will probably do private graphics. Just name it graphics. Yeah. I don't know, I'll create the getters and setters for these later on. Just want to keep this going so we can get the full drawing in by the time that video has to be uploaded under the 10-minute limit. So we're gonna do image equals create image, get width, get height, and this is going to allow us to double buffer. And graphics equals image dot get graphics, and that's it. So we're going to leave this here so we can fill the background black. Go ahead and do paint component and pass the graphics, and then g dot draw image and do image 0 0 and null. This can either be this or null. It just it doesn't really need it. So, and then call repaint at the bottom. So let me explain what's going on really quick here. So we're creating a new image for the screen that's going to be used for the double buffer, excuse me. And the graphics, this will be used for the double buffer, but the image is just what we're going to be drawing for the double buffer. And so you got the graphics, and you're passing that to the thing. So we're going to draw players in here, bullets, and whatever else you want to add to the game. So we're going to draw this, which is essentially everything we have in this, and then we're going to repaint, and it will do it all again. So that's what's going to happen. Let's go ahead and add player 1 dot draw pass G, player 2 dot draw pass G, and it froze here. One thing I do want to note that you're using graphics, which is the one you're going to be using for double buffer that you pass to here, and to draw the image you're actually using the G, the regular standard graphics that you each program runs that you have with the paint method. And yesterday I did actually mess this up. 580 is, so the second variable is actually the height instead of the X position. So, and I do want to move it, so we're gonna go ahead and do 570 and do 10 for this one. Do 150, so it'll be down in the center of the screen. And now if I were to run this, you'd actually see that, oops, I ran the wrong one. So you see that, you see the players there, but you notice we don't have the black background. And let me see why here. Let me take a look at my other one. Alright, yeah, this is not gonna work. So what we're actually gonna go ahead and do is up here we're gonna do set background color dot black, and we're gonna have to import the color library. So go ahead and do that. And now you got your basic drawing on the screen. It's repainting, but nothing happens if you press any keys. That's because we haven't had key movement yet. So one real quick thing I do before we actually get into key movement, I'll probably do it in the next video because it looks like we're running out of time, but I want to move this get image. This shouldn't really be in here, so open up game object. Hang on. Alright, sorry about that. Abstract void get image, and I keep putting this as void, I'm sorry. It's gonna be image, and you're gonna pass a string to it as well. Okay, now you notice that we got errors in here again. So really quick, add on implemented methods in both of these. Go ahead and move it after the update. Oh, it was already after the update, alright. Delete this, and same thing, toolkit dot get default toolkit dot get image, and we're gonna use the string that we're passing through here. So save time again, copy this, paste it here, and for player we're gonna go ahead and take off this, and we're gonna make it a string, and same for bullet. So basically, instead of passing an image, we'll just pass a string, and then in here we'll create the image from the string. So really quick, remove this, just remove the parentheses and that stuff, leave the quotes, and you could delete the image in here. And I gotta do this quick. So after the width, we'll do this dot image equals get image, and then whatever we called it, image, I believe. And then we could delete that line. Copy this. Alright. So basically what that's going to do is take the string that we're going to be passing, as we already did in the shooter class, and take the string and do it inside of this class itself instead of actually the shooter class, because that was really dumb. And you notice we have a warning up here, so we'll just delete that. But I'm going to show you guys a little quick tip. If you hold down Control Shift and push the O key on the keyboard, it will actually clean all your inputs for you and import everything that's needed and make it all clean, and deletes things that aren't used and everything else. That's another handy little feature in Eclipse. It just really helps out. So I'll go ahead and run this really quick again. So basically, you got the drawing again. There's no bullets. In the next video, we'll actually go ahead and add key listening, like I said, and add the bullet shooting, and that'll be really quick, or it should be. Hopefully it is. So thanks for watching, and hope you learned something. Talk to you later.